In this guide to ConvallisCRM, we'll show how to configure your system before you run the software. First, double-click the ConvallisCRM icon on your desktop. Next, you need to open the System Configuration box. You do this by selecting Administration, then System Configuration in the menu. You will now see the System Configuration box as shown. The first tab is where you set up your email settings information. In the box marked Server Name, please enter the name of the email server to which your emails are sent, usually known as the SMTP server. If your server requires authentication when sending emails, click the Server Requires Authentication box and then enter the username and password for the server, which will normally be the same username and password that you use to access your email. The outgoing server details can be obtained from your ISP. In the General Settings box, check the boxes you want to display. Sales Reports folder is where the system will store any invoices and quotes that have been issued within the system. The next tab is the Touch Reference tab. There may be times that wish to give your contact a unique touch reference number, and this is the box where it is set up. Reference numbers are set up with a prefix, for example CS, a number, for example 001, and a suffix. Please note that the value of digits will be output. For example, if you specify 4, then a 4-digit number such as 0001 will be generated. The final tab is the defaults for the optional text messaging function. Please note that if you wish to use this, you must obtain a subscription to the Text Anywhere service by clicking the Sign Up button as shown in the box. The next step is to set up the user options. This step will set up the user details for the system for sending and receiving emails. From the Administration menu, select User Options. You will now see this box. In the first box, enter an email address that will be displayed in the To field of any messages to a mailing list. In the second box, enter an email address that any messages sent by ConvallisCRM should have replies sent to. If you would like to use your regular email editor when sending an email to an individual from within ConvallisCRM, for example Outlook, tick the Use System Email Editor box and then click OK to confirm your changes. Any of these items can be changed in the future by selecting the Administration menu and then either System Configuration or User Details as appropriate.